good day to you.
I wanted you to say good morning. It's noon.
It is noon.
I didn't wake up till 11:30.
The snow has begun.
I'm not even awake right now. And you can tell by looking at my eyes.
I am. I've unloaded the dishwasher and reloaded it and put more beans in the chili and I made 2 pans of bacon and I'm getting ready to bake cookies.
She's an overachiever.
I am.
And she's even cuddled with Cornelius.
And she has cuddled with Cornelius.
And my apron says Mima.
And my apron says Mima. And it is snowing.
Somewhat hard.
It is.
Storm warning.
The storm has begun. And it's funny because the storm sirens went off because it's the first Saturday of the month. And Horatio and I were like, why is the siren? Oh yeah, it's Saturday. So yeah, you can't hardly see it because it's really small flakes, but it has begun. I just got a message from my friend Forrest, and he said, "Have you found the cork?" I have not found the cork yet, and I need to go out before the ground is completely covered in snow and see if I can find the cork. But this is what's happening in here.
All right.
Yes, he's preening your hair. And yes, I know I need to give you a haircut. So, let's see if I can find it. All right, I am past. This is how far away from the house I am, and I don't see it yet. I really feel like it's here, like somewhere within, like, I feel like it's probably within 15 feet of where I am right now because of the trajectory of the cork. If you want to get technical. I found it! I found it. The cork is next to the tiny bench right there, next to the bird feeders. So it was this far away from the house. I have just completed sending all 3 of the boys' auditions to where they need to go. It was a very involved submission checklist. And I had to reformat things and I had to, And so I was not expecting it to take me this long to get it done today, but I'm also very tired. So it is beautiful outside and I am taking a walk. I want to walk in the snow because it's very, very pretty. You ready? Going out, going out, going out. Oh, we need to plug our lights in. Yes, this would be the first day that our lights have been on and it's snowy. So it like looks really, really good and authentic. And it's probably gonna be the last day that the lights are plugged in. Oh well. It's dark, but it is beautiful. The snow is covering every branch of every tree. You can see it over there. It's very pretty, very, very pretty. So funny story. We just finished the family self-tape. I think it was pretty good and it was great. We haven't done one for a while. We got it done. I got it edited and then I went in to submit it. And first of all, one of the things said it was due by 8 p.m. tonight. But then another thing said it was due tomorrow at 6 o'clock. So Horatio goes, just submit it. Just get it submitted. And so I continued on to submit it. And I got to a page and it said, you have to have a premium membership for this, like, the database thing in order to submit for this. And I'm like, nope. We do not have any memberships to anything. We don't pay anything to be in stuff. So
we don't pay
and So I'm like, I just had everybody do all of this for nothing. And Horatio goes, no, we needed the practice. We haven't had a family self-tape. And I'm like, yeah, I guess you're right. But I still feel bad.
Glass half full.
Glass half full. We're watching Back to Hogwarts. Woo!
Return to Hogwarts. Hello.
Oh, return to Hogwarts. Sorry.
We're in our robes.
Yes, we're wearing our robes. I'm even wearing my robe. That was really good. That was really, really good. I managed not to cry. I told myself I'm not going to cry. I didn't cry, but I almost did. It was so good. And of course, it makes me even more excited for vacation. Final clip. So there's a wrestling match happening behind me. And I have my blue light blockers on because I think that I need to start wearing them more. I need to, be more mindful of that. And it is like a winter wonderland outside. We've had the plow come by several times. And we're going to have to set an alarm and dig ourselves out if we want to go to church. So, yeah, this is my final clip. Until tomorrow.